Hey love, so today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. P.S. Did you guys see they're coming out with Boxy Luxe? I can't afford that right now, but I want it. That looks so amazing. But we are here to talk about the regular Boxycharm. This guy is $21 a month. You get 5 or 6, it just depends, full-size beauty products. So we are going to hop in, but before we jump into this unboxing, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, let's get into it. All right, so Boxycharm always comes with this little booklet that tells me all about all the items. It tells you the prices and everything. So I'm excited. I've definitely seen like all the sneak peeks. So 6 products in here. Yes, girl. All right, we're going to start with the thing that's on the top of the list, which is this little beauty right here. This is the... Whoo! This is like way more intense in person than I thought it was going to be. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. So this retails for $19, which isn't bad, but there you go. So right there, it's almost the cost of the box, and you get this little palette. It does have a mirror, which is really nice. Look at these shades. Those shades, that's like, because I've seen pictures, but I don't feel like film can really capture how bright this palette is. But let's watch this baby because I'm excited. I only have really crappy makeup wipes down here with me. I'm not a fan of the ones that I have down there. I'm just trying to like use them up. So I've been using them to wash, like wipe off my hands between filming videos. But I'm sorry, my hands look dirty because they are, because it's like the worst makeup wipe. I've never tried any of Laura Lee's shadows. Let me know down below if you have and if you like them. Can you see the pink? Oh, you can. At least I can see it on the monitor, so I hope it translates. But there are glitters in that pink. That is beautiful. I am super excited for this palette. They do send out a lot of neutral palettes, so if you're scared of color, don't worry. It's mostly neutral palettes, which, I mean, I'm always a fan of neutral palettes, but girl, you know how many I have those. But those are so bright. Let's move on to the next item. I am so excited that a beauty box finally sent out a pair of lashes that I would definitely wear. I have not tried this style from House of Lashes. I am a fan. I love House of Lashes. Their lash glue is my absolute favorite. I think these are boudoir. They're boudoir ones. Here, let me get you a good shot of those. Look how beautiful those are. They're like thicker in the middle, and they look like they might be a little bit layered. Ugh, so pretty. So let me see what these retail for. House of Lashes retail between $9 and $12. So I don't know this exact pair, but I feel like this is one of the more expensive ones. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know, but the pairs that they're sending out are retailing between $9 and $12. So when I add up the box, I'll just add it as 9. Excited for this. I love House of Lashes. I love lashes. I definitely just organized my lash drawers, and I'm very excited. Well, I added a second lash drawer, and that one's organized. First one's not. I don't know that I've actually tried a Smashbox always on liquid lipstick. Maybe I have. I probably have gotten like a mini in a beauty box, but I've never gone and purchased one myself. So I know these are kind of pricey. What is it? Assorted lip products between $21 and $24. So I'm not sure. Ooh, it looks kind of like what I'm wearing, but a little more brownie nude. This is in the shade Stay Neutral. That looks beautiful. Ooh, it's a little more brownie nude than I like. Usually like a super like pale pinky nude, but I'm down. I'll try it. I'll try it. So these are by Water Beauty. I've been very curious about this brand. It shows up a lot on Facebook, like in Facebook ads and on Instagram ads. So of course I'm like, what is that? So I'm excited to try these. These are little eye patches. So this is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You get 3 of them. I don't know if it's 3 for $13 or each one is $13. So I'm not sure. I'm assuming all 3 for $13 would make the most sense. But you get 3 of them. So they're little eye masks that you put on under your eyeballs. So that's cool. I'll try those. Baggage Claim. I like that. That's clever. So the next one is from Bang Beauty. It says it's a chocolate eyeliner. This retails for $22. So again, more than the cost of the box right there. This looks like a really good brow color for me. Maybe I'll try it as a brow pomade. It looks like it would be a nice brow product too, though. You love that I smelled it? I was kind of hoping it would smell like chocolate. It doesn't. So that's okay. I don't know if I'll actually use this. I have more brow pomades than I even need because I usually use a pencil. So maybe I'll try it as an eyeliner. I don't know. We have one more item. This is the, I'm not trying to say that. Is it Adis? Adis? Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I can use that. I actually did my nails for once and I already ruined them before I even got down to film. So these are, this retails for $18. Does it smell like almond? If it does, then I'm sold. I bet it doesn't, but does it? I love the scent of almond so much. No, it doesn't, but that's okay. Maybe I should actually start taking care of my nails. At least I painted them. Please be proud. All right, love, so this is the part of the video where we add everything up. We're at $19 for the eyeshadow palette, $9 for the lashes, $24 for the liquid lipstick, $13 for the baggage eye claim masks, $22 for the eyeliner, and then $18 for the cuticle oil. $105 is the retail value of this box, so I always will like minus the cost of the subscription. So in this box, you're getting $84 additional product, which is not the best. Normally, you get a lot more in Boxycharm, but I do really like the products. The lashes I will use these little eye masks. The only thing that I'm not like completely sold on is the chocolate eyeliner, but that's just, it's something different though. At least with beauty boxes, they're sending you things that maybe you wouldn't normally try. Boxycharm normally sends you very, like, if you get an eyeliner, normally it's like a black or a brown, which I mean makes sense because they are very wearable shades and most people will like them. The only thing that's like a little bit different this time is the eyeshadow palette is much brighter. All right, love, so that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm unboxings. Let me know down below if you're excited for Boxycharm Luxe, if you're going to check it out or not. I'm very curious about it. But yeah, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, loves, I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, love. So today, oh, sorry. I only have really crappy makeup wipes on. Like, what? Worst makeup wipe ever. It does. I'm wearing 2 different lipsticks, so I don't even know. That I'm excited for. I'm glad, like, you guys know how much I love nudes. So the only thing that's a little bit different in this palette,